Hello? Are you ready?
No.
Why did you say give us a minute then? All right, straight up. Are they coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you knock mommy's door? Because we... All right, at the same time. So I was... All right. All right, we're going for breakfast now. We'll just go and...
It's fine.
All right, let's go.
Breakfast.
Get it done. Breakfast, and you can see we are waiting in a queue due to coronavirus and keeping safe distance. So we have to take queue by order, and you can see they are getting ready and they're just coming to meals are on the table, waiting for breakfast. So, Rookie, what have you got to say about the breakfast? You've seen the menu. So, what would you say?
It looks nice and I'm excited to try it.
What would you say, Yoma?
It looks very tasty to enjoy and eat. It looks very tasty to enjoy and eat.
So we're going to try everything. We're trying everything. So you see when you first here.
TJ, can we just hear from TJ?
I'm excited to try the meals because there's a lot of options to choose from. So I'm excited to try everything that's on this plate.
First, the menu set and waiting for the food. I just think it's really nice to go on vacation sometimes with the family. It gives you time to actually rest, chill out, and have a good connection. I think everything's going good. What do you guys think? Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I just can't wait to explore different places.
Great.
Looking forward for the breakfast, and as you can see, it's unlimited cooked breakfast, so can't wait to have the breakfast.
Listen, nueva. A Byron, what's that?
Lovely breakfast.
No plantain and things.
Oh yeah, for this.
No kodo.
All is well according to the word of God.
Full cooked breakfast.
All is well according to the word of God. You have prefer pepper soup and roast.
I don't mind pepper soup.
Actually,
pepper soup
yeah,
and
probably
yam.
having soup and yam.
It's not too person.
No. Yeah.
All right, it's okay.
All right. If you go now, you're not gonna get it.
Where's the food?
Yeah, but it's better because on Sunday you're gonna be there's no fire.
Sunday is better to do. Because you go Sunday, you get extra time.
No, we don't.
Sunday.
It's the same thing we're gonna show.
So I have a rest on Sunday.
Exactly because you're gonna be tired throughout the activities.
So are you going to restaurant Sunday?
No, we'll rest, we'll sleep, we won't wake up on time. We're tired.
So we're ready to go now.
What do you think, Rookie?
I don't know.
We'll rest on Sunday.
And then we can do.
Is here. Everybody is
Obvious.
ready.
Oh, very sweet.
It's time to eat.
What have that? Let's have a photo.
I'll have
a face.
Okay, you can have my.
So it's ready. Got my cutlery. You can see it. The meal is ready. It's breakfast time. Breakfast time.
Family time.
Breakfast time.
Family time.
Alright, let's get it down. Let's get it done.
God will bless this food in Jesus' name. Amen.